In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this red button to start your recording. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left icon, and in order to pause it or unpause it, on the right one. If you wish to stop your recording and end it, click on the red button again. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, go back, hold it, and select Rename at the bottom. Then type in wherever you wish to and click on OK to save your new name. You can also delete it by holding it, but this time selecting Delete at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!